Hi. Okay, so some of you might be a little disappointed because I usually do gardening videos and I usually do household things, but today I ordered something. I seen a friend of mine order this. I've never really been into designer handbags, but when I was raising my girls, there was no money for anything like that. In my wildest dreams, there would have been nothing for me like that. So I was lucky to buy anything for myself back when the girls were little. So I ordered something and I'm so excited. So she had this and she said it was absolutely gorgeous. Kate Spade has surprise sales, and in those surprise sales a friend of mine just purchased something, and it's a lot like Coach Outlet, which I found last year for my birthday. And wow, they did a lot of packing. I mean, that's a lot of packing, guys. Okay, we'll just toss that on the floor. Let's figure out how to get into this bag. If I'm smarter than the bag, I'll be all right. I actually ordered two. I needed a tote bag to carry some stuff for some meetings that I have, for some volunteer work that I do. And I went out and bought a cheap $5.99 one, but I knew it was going to break at some point. So she posted this. And I just had to have it. Anything pink. If you've ever went back and watched my closet video, you know anything pink. So they put a lot of wrapping around it. Oh my God. Oh, it's soft. Guys, y'all, let me tell you. I mean, let me tell you. Okay, first impression, it's lovely. So I have a couple Coach purses that I got at the outlet, and they're really soft and they're really nice, and this is nice. It's still a little different than what my Coach purse is as far as the leather feel. So I guess I'll have to look, but whether it's leather or... So this was on a surprise sale, and I'll have to look, but I want to say it was either $2.98 or $3.98 regular price, and it was $89 on the surprise Kate Spade. We definitely got lots of packing in it. I used to hang my purses on the doorknob here on the pantry, and then I heard that that wasn't good. So, yeah, this is huge. I'll put a link in the description to the Kate Spade website if you guys would like. Really big. It's got this cute little sparkle charm on it. It matches real good with my everyday icky clothes, doesn't it? So yeah, nice size. Holds some file folders really good. So first impressions, I absolutely love this. Absolutely love this. So I'm excited to go put my stuff in it. Might have to turn this bad boy around because it's facing the wrong way, but it looks like I can take it off and actually fix it. So we can do that. Okay, so I'll put a link in the description. It is really nice, really soft. Love the color, very summery, definitely. So hope you guys like it. I know some of you won't, but I got a couple videos coming out that you guys will absolutely love, and we'll talk soon. Bye guys.